Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? Say loudly, I am fine. Thank you. What you will say? I am fine. Thank you. Okay. We have learned capital letters. We have learned capital letters A to N. Identifications of capital letter A to N. Okay. Now we will do revision. What we will do? We will do revision because after few days your exams are going to start. Okay, so today we will do oral revision. What we will do? Oral revision. Okay, so are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, we will start with rhymes. We will start revision with rhymes. So, are you ready? Are you ready? So, all of you stand up. Okay, stand up, all of you. Stand up. Yes. So, you have to say rhyme with action. You have to say rhymes with action. Okay, so let us start. First rhyme. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Which rhyme we will start first? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. So all of you, you have to do with action and you have to repeat after me. What you have to do? You have to say rhyme with action and you have to repeat after me. Okay, understand? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand. Okay? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoying? Okay. So you also have to say it loudly with me. Again. Again all of you we will say with action. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand. Okay? Again we will revise. Okay? Again we will repeat this rhyme. So all of you be ready and say with action. You have to recite the rhymes with action. Okay? Ready? All of you ready? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand. Okay. Next rhyme, rain, rain. Okay. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Okay? Again, you have to repeat all of you. All of you have to repeat after me. Okay? So, let's start. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Enjoying or not? Yes. Let us start. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Okay. Next rhyme. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Clap. Clap all of you. Yes, my good, lovely kid. Very good. Once again. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Again, we will repeat this rhyme. So, all of you, yes, ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Next poem, next rhyme, apple. Which rhyme? Apple. Rosy red apple. Yes, all of you say with me. Rosy red apple high in the tree. Please, Mr. Wind, blow one down to me. Again, we will repeat and you have to say with action. Rosy red apple high in the tree. Please, Mr. Wind, blow one down to me. Okay? Again. Rosy red apple high in the tree. Please, Mr. Wind, blow one down to me. Okay? Yes. Did you like this rhyme? Yes. We have learned 3 to 4 rhymes. Rain, rain, want to buckle my shoe. Johnny, Johnny. No, we have not done Johnny, Johnny. Twinkle, twinkle, apple. Okay, now we will do Johnny, Johnny. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Okay, again we will repeat this right. Yes. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Okay, again we will say, and you have to repeat after me. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Very good, my dears. Very good. Clap, 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 clap. Very good. You are saying very good. Okay, now we will revise the letters, capital letters we have learned. Okay, which letter is this? This is letter A. Which letter is this? Letter A. How we write letter A? Slanting line, and then sleeping line. Like this we write the letter A. Yes. So A for apple. What is this? This is A for apple. A for apple. A for arrow. A for aeroplane. What is this? This is A for aeroplane. Very good. A for aeroplane. A for apple. A for arrow. A for aeroplane. A for alligator. Next, all of you, after A, which letter will come? After A, which letter will come? Letter B. Okay, this is letter A. After A, which letter will come? B. Say loudly. A, B. B for, how we write B? Standing line, half curve, half curve. Okay, which letter is this? B. B for ball. B for ball. B for bat. B for ball. B for bat. B for boy. B for book. B for book. Okay. Then after A, B. After B, which letter will come? C. Which letter will come? C. So C for cup. You drink milk in cup? Yes. C for cup. C for cat. What does cat say? Cat say meow meow. Cat say meow meow. C for cup. C for cat. And C for, tell me. C for cat. C for cat. C for cup. And C for, do you know anything? C for, yes. C for, yes, all of you. A, B, C. C for cucumber. C for cucumber. You eat cucumber? You eat cucumber? Yes. C for cucumber. Okay. After A, B, C, which letter will come? D. Which letter will come? D. Which letter will come? D. D for doll. D for doll. D for duck. D for duck. D for drum. D for drum. Okay. D for doll. D for duck. D for drum. Okay. After D, which letter will come? Look here. A, B, C, D. After D, which letter will come? Letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Okay. E for egg. E for egg. E for eyes. E for eyes. Yes or no? E for eyes. E for elephant. E for egg. E for eyes. Okay. After E, which letter will come? A, B, C, D, E, or after that F. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. F for fan. F for fan. F for flower. F for flower. Okay. F for fish. F for fan. F for flower. A, B, C, D, E, F. After F, which letter will come? G. Which letter will come? G. G for gun. G for gun. Which letter is this? G. G for gun. G for girl. G for girl. G for girl. G for girl. G for gun. G for girl. G for grapes. Did you eat grapes? Do you like grapes? Yes. And what is the color of grapes? Green. So G for gun, G for girl, G for grapes, and G for green color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, after G, which letter will come? H. Which letter will come? H. Which letter will come? H. H for house. H for house. H for hand. H for hand. H for hair. H for hair. H for hair. H for horse. H for horse. H for house. H for hand. H for hair. Okay. Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. After H, I. After H, I. I for ice cream. Very cold, cold ice cream. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for igloo. I for iron. I for iron. I for iron. I for iron. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for iron. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. J for joker. J for joker. J for joker. Then J for jug. J for jug. J for jelly. J for jelly. Okay. J for joker. J for jug. J for jelly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. K for kite. K for kite. K for kangaroo. K for king. 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 And K for key. K for key. You open the door now with key. Okay. Key, and a bike also have key, car also have key. K for kite, K for king, K for key. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L for lamp, L for light, L for lion. Okay, then L. After that, M. M for monkey. M for mother. M for money. M for mother. Okay? Yes. Next, after M, which letter will come? N. N for nest. N for necklace. Okay? N for nest. N for necklace. N for number 9. Okay? We have learned all this letter. Okay. Now we will revise all the letter. Then after that we will end class. A. You have to say it after me. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay. Keep doing practice at your home. Till then, bye and have a nice day. We will meet in next class.